again, I would like to really thank you for coming for this event and sharing your precious time and on the stage and making us aware a lot about this disease.
Thank
So,
you.
first and foremost, I will just ask a couple of questions. That why do you think raising awareness about sickle cell disease is so very crucial in 2024? I mean, we didn't talk much about it before, but why
Right.
do you think right now is the hour of the time?
It's important because it's a genetic disorder. It's important because it is found mostly the high burden areas. The population is very poor and they are very much unaware of and the stigma that goes along with the disease. So it is very important to be aware of what it is. It should have come much earlier so that we didn't had this much of burden. But yes, it is very important to be aware of what the disease is, not only for the person who is suffering, but also for the researchers to bring in new ideas pertaining from screening, diagnosis, treatment, and also for the policymakers to bring the guidelines and the policies to support the infrastructure and the capacity to help such patients. And obviously, the clinicians also need to get aware of what is going around in the world in terms of the technology advancement with respect of the diagnosis and treatment of this particular disorder. So because it's not a disease, it's a disorder.
It's a disorder,
Yes.
yeah. So, HT Media has taken up this initiative
Right.
to spread to a larger audience.
Right.
So, ma'am, what do you have to say about that?
I would like to congratulate for this
Thank
wonderful initiative that comes very rightly at this point where the government has taken up such a big initiative to
Right.
eliminate the program, and the efforts taken up by HT Media.
Yeah.
This will definitely, we can take up the first question again, it will help in generating lot of awareness
Yeah, that's true.
amongst it is not just beneficial to the patients. It is for the society as a whole to
True.
know that people are suffering from a particular disorder which might not be only limited to tribal.
True.
People are migrating.
Absolutely.
So
yeah.
we need a checkpoint, and
Correct.
this checkpoint will only come if we are aware. So I would
True, yeah.
like to congratulate
Thank you.
HT Media for
Ma'am,
taking this
and,
effort.
one last question.
Yes.
That since you were here in the event, what do you think is one key message that you would like to give to the audience who are here and also to the larger people who are just being participating in this event? So, what do you want to say about that?
I come from ICMR, so
Okay.
so I'll give 2-3 points. One is as a scientific community that includes both basic and the medical scientists. Wherever we are from, we should try to have such events.
Correct.
Maybe HT Media can help in having
Generating more events,
more,
yeah,
generating
sure.
more events
Correct.
to bring about the awareness, and also bringing together the people for this particular concern cause. Apart from that, it is important that whatever we are discussing today, it should translate.
True.
It should
That's very
translate. So
important.
this
It
is
should not be confined
yes,
to the rooms.
It
yeah.
should not be a news article
Correct,
or a media
correct,
coverage.
correct. I do agree.
This coverage should go beyond. It
Yeah.
should
Benefit
go
the
to
people.
the ears of policymakers
True.
that this was discussed and this is what required beyond what is going on.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely.
thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.